Hi, my name is Beth. I am CEO of Three More, and I'm happy to walk through a little more about our tool. I'm going to start with the needs actions section. So in this case, I'm going to take a look at the line graph JS. In part because I know that there was a Next.js vulnerability that was announced a couple of weeks ago. That's a critical, and I'm concerned as to whether or not it is in our technical stack. So, in taking a look at the LangGraph.js, I'll see that I do, in fact, have a critical vulnerability. I do not have code owners, and I do not have CI/CD. So in going to alerts, we're going to take a look at all the vulnerabilities associated with LangGraph.js. And we're going to see down here, we've got Next as the package, and it is in fact the Next.js middleware. So this is just going to provide us some details around what needs to happen. You're going to see that it has patches and the fixes where those fixes live based on the different versions. So this is going to provide me enough insight so that I can take the appropriate next steps. All right, until next time, thanks all.